Few pieces of gaming hardware are as shrouded in mystery as the Nintendo 64 disk drive. Released to very little acclaim in the 1990s and boasting a long list of planned titles, most of which would never be released. Although the hardware would eventually see sales of about 10,000 units in Japan, rarer still are the developer kits that game creators would use to make software for the system. The reason these are still so sought after is that there are software disks for the N64DD with the potential of holding projects that were never released. If one of these projects were discovered, you could potentially change the history of Nintendo 64 and the disk drive system as we know it. Just imagine if Earthbound 64's lost project was discovered. I was lucky enough to stumble upon one of these development kits through my adventures in Japan. And as cool as I think it is, I have no development background, and I realized that I can't fulfill the potential of this hardware. So I ended up selling it to a collector/developer who will remain anonymous. As much as I would have loved to hold on to it, I knew its potential wouldn't have been realized just sitting in my collection. That being said, I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes of this development kit in the near future. That's it for this video, but I'd love to know what you guys think of the N64DD and what projects you would have loved to have seen come to light back in the 1990s. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.